I'm Joe, you're you, and this is Must See Monday. Rain, sleet, or snow, we're going to be putting on a special Must See Monday for you today. Today, I'm in Thorold to see my good buddy, Tony Visca, who's reopening Crackerjack's Bar and Grill right here in Thorold. I've heard the renovations are beautiful. I've heard they've got a brand new menu and have kept the classics. I'm hungry and I'm thirsty, so I'm going to head on inside and make it happening. All right, Reynolds look good, beautiful. We got some brewski. This looks like it's got to be the Crackerjack beer here at Crackerjack's. Delicious. Love sitting down to a beer ready, cold beer ready on the table. That's what I'm talking about. Ash, what's going on?
Oh, you know, we're getting you started here with our meatball pots. We have our homemade meatballs with the pomodoro sauce and topped with fresh Parmesan cheese.
This looks amazing.
Yeah, they're delicious.
Smells good too.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I can smell it. I haven't even taken a bite yet. Talk about excited. These are kind of like little like dumbbells, so it's kind of like I'm working out, right? 1, 2. I'm not sure how they cook that meatball, but it's nice and soft on the inside. It's got a little crisp. It must, I don't know if it's oven or deep fried, but the sauce and the cheese goes along with these meatballs. It's like Nona makes them. 1, 2. Oh yeah. They're juicy, but they got that nice brown flavor on the outside. I don't know if it's braised, browned, but it's delicious. I'm gonna eat some more of these bad boys.
Hi, Joe.
Tone, how are ya?
Good, and you?
Good? Good to see ya.
Good to see ya.
Yeah, you too.
Good. One of our 3 poutines. Okay, our crispy fries.
Yes.
With cheese curds.
Yes.
Cheddar cheese. Gravy. Nice fried chicken breast on with American sauce.
Ooh.
And blue cheese.
What do you call this?
The buffalo chicken poutine.
Buffalo chicken poutine.
Yes.
This looks amazing.
Good. Enjoy.
Thanks, Don.
Not a problem.
I like it.
Good.
Smells delicious. It looks delicious. So let's see if it tastes delicious. I think there's a little bit of cheese on here. Oh yeah. That's a nice savory gravy. The cheese, delicious. And before I try the chicken, I want to have another one of those. Now I gotta get a piece of this chicken with some of the blue cheese, with some of the french fry, the gravy, all in one bite. I've never had a poutine quite like this before, and the combination is unreal. I never would have thought to put chicken with Americano sauce, blue cheese on a poutine before. But this is definitely way better than going to the gym. Way better. Oh, yes.
So, Joe, we have an individual pizza here.
Nice.
It's our meat lovers, so sausage, bacon, pepperoni, cheese. Okay, and then Crackerjack's built their reputation on their chicken wings. So So here's Crackerjack's chicken wings. We made them medium for you.
Medium. Perfect.
Okay.
This looks amazing.
Good.
Those smell great.
Good.
Thanks.
Enjoy.
Thanks, Doug. There is a ton of meat on this meat lover. Pepperoni, bacon, sausage. Carnivore's dream come true. Lots of different meat flavors going on here. Bacon, nice and crunchy. Sausage, nice and meaty. Juicy, flavorful. And you got some pepperoni and cheese in the back there. Nice little pie to go. Now we can try out these world famous Crackerjack wings. Hold on, I need a little veg. Veg and blue cheese is one of my favorite parts of the chicken wing. Right after the chicken wings. I think this might be the first time having chicken wings on a must-see Monday. A little Joe fact, chicken wings is one of my favorite foods. They're a nice healthy size. Not one of these little puny ones. Sometimes you get a wing night specials some places where they're like 7-cent wings. It's a full-bodied chicken wing. Sauce is nice. Blue cheese is beautiful. Only thing missing from these chicken wings, that's good stuff.
Alright, Joe. Up next, we have
Whoa.
the Crackerjack burger with french fries. The burger's a sirloin burger with Swiss, mozzarella, and cheddar cheese. You have bacon, sauteed mushrooms, onions, lettuce, tomato.
Wow.
Alright?
This thing is Hugo.
Yes, good luck.
I need
Make
it.
sure you like squish it down.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
Wow. I don't even know how this is going to happening yet. But, ooh, she's hot too. Let's see. Oh, I know I got a big mouth, but I don't know if it's big enough for this bad boy. The first thing that comes out at me is a nice juicy burger, followed by that crispy bacon. I don't know if you can see it dripping, juicing everywhere. Look at that cheese. When you add on lettuce and tomato, I think that takes away from the calories of everything else. It must. The bun is toasted, which adds another layer of crisp goodness to this bad boy. I don't know if you can see how juicy this burger is. It's delicious.
Alright.
Whoa!
We have the twisted mac and cheese. We
Yeah.
have cavatelli noodles tossed in our cream sauce with roasted red peppers. And there's a breaded chicken breast on top tossed in our mild sauce.
Wow.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good thing I'm starving. We got some chicken and some spiral noodles. I don't remember what they were called, but these are great. These are one of my favorite ones, actually. It almost tastes like a chicken wing mac and cheese. Chicken's nice. I like the sauce. The breading, perfect. Nicely seasoned with the Parmesan. I ate so much food I'm sweating. It's kind of like a workout. Oh yeah. Look at that nice cheesy noodle. And there you have it. Another must-see Monday. Thank you, Tony Visca, for having me down here at the newly renovated Crackerjack's right here in Thorold. The place looks absolutely beautiful. That menu is outstanding. All those foods, delicious. I'm stuffed. You're a great host. Thanks everybody for watching. If you want to try Crackerjacks, head on down here to Thorold and let Tony know Joe sent you.